Hey guys, it's again from GK Farms. Today I thought I'd do a farm tour. I just thought I would. So, right now we're in the cow pasture. Well, this is the steers. Over there's the cows. So there's all my cows. You guys, I've done a farm tour in one of my earlier videos, but it was rainy that day and it wasn't that good. So I think I'm gonna do a better one today. So this is the steer pasture. There it goes. But it's pretty big. And then the cow pasture's smaller. And then my barn, I'll get to that in a second. Yeah, so I'll get going. Get me a second. I'm gonna get in here. A little wet since it's been rainy, but so this is the barn. That's the hay feeder for the steers, and then there's some other food. Yep, so this is the barn, the pen, lights. I'll get up there in a second, but the steers laying here. And then I haven't showed you guys these. These are our waters. They're automatic waters. The calves is an old school bull one because they kept breaking off the plastic. They don't push back much, but they'll come in from a. Oh, I don't know what you're doing in there, caterpillar. But they'll come in at an angle and go ahead. And the cows is the same way, just a smaller bowl and it's made of plastic. So I'll show you guys the barn in a sec. I gotta get my. Alright. There we go. So, flip right. You can probably hear my radio. This is sort of my supply shelf. This is the steer's ration of feed. There's some pen lights in here, so it's cozy at night. So here's the hay. We feed, like, there's the feed hay bunk. We'll use it for Belle. But yeah, I'll show you this water. So here's patches. Here's Belle, and then this is where the hay usually goes. And there's a hay door on the top of the barn. I'll show that in a second. But yeah, that's the barn really. I'll go out to the top in a second, and then we'll keep moving on. Ooh, come on. There we go. There used to be a silo they would run, I guess, but now it's not functional anymore. It's dark. Okay. There's the Corn Pro cattle trailer. I'm gonna get to that in a second. So, there's my gator. So we're heading to the top of the barn. There's a hill to the bottom of the barn if you're ever. So we're in the top of the barn. Let's keep going. My old bike. Here's the hay so far. We're gonna add a lot more, so I'll give a video. I got 4 more round bales to unload. There's 3 round bales, one stacked up. Then we got some square bales. And there's a cat up in there. There she is. Yeah, that's a mom. There's some kitties in there. So. Cats are not my favorite. So here's the hay door. We'll open it up. We can throw down hay. Like a round bale. So really, that's the whole barn. Stuff in the chicken coop. I would go in there, but that's a huge reason too. So yep, my chickens live there. So just watch the chickens. See the inside of it. So I'm like on my way down to the trailer now. This is a Corn Pro cattle trailer. So you can haul 7 like full-size cows. But you could stuff more in there. We haul hay once in a while because it keeps the hay dry, and we don't haul cattle a lot sometimes. But yep, it's Corn Pro cattle trailer. So yep, it's a nice trailer. It's a gooseneck. I like it. Pretty nice. Got some hay in there. But I'll head down. So I sort of gave you guys, I have a couple of blueberry bushes, I guess. They're not really bushes, or plants. So yeah, there's my John Deere Gator. The battery quit on it. Now it needs a new one. But, this is the silo I was talking about. It's nothing compared to the other harvesters across the street. This one I would imagine is about maybe 60 feet or something. Couldn't really say. There's a deer pasture again and the cow pasture. I'll keep going here. Yeah, it's sort of a backfield. I want it to be a backfield, but I mudded it out, and now it's got a bunch of trenches in it, which I shouldn't have did. But well, guess we all make mistakes. So I'll just keep going down here. So water does collect a little bit here and there. It does there because I drove my 4-wheeler there repeatedly. I started out with the Honda 250 when I started this. That was before I had this. But we'll spread some manure on it once in a while if the ground's hard enough. And I want to do some sweet corn and pumpkins here. But this might end up pasture one day, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is our field. So I'll do some videos on this in the spring. So I smashed some pumpkins down here. They might turn out. They might. So that's been the farm tour. I would show you guys my tractor, but it's at the shop right now. So this is Gavin from GK Farms. I'll see y'all next time. Like and comment on my videos and subscribe to my channel and keep watching. See y'all next time.